Shut up. We're now at the Mojave Point lookout thing. And down there you're supposed to be able to see the Colorado River, which you can see, kind of. And you can see that it's flowing right there. You can see the white tips of the water.
Looks like God himself threw a lightning bolt of ice at it.
Yeah, it looks frozen. And it goes all the way around. It looks really pretty. And the wind is very, 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 very strong, so it's cold. Okay, more from the next stop.
Feels like God is trying to blow off that area.
Yeah. There's the river. I think I didn't have it the first time. But there, you can see the river now.
Are you zooming in?
Yep, I zoomed in. Okay, bye. We'll get you at the next stop.